1688 just released their latest version of the application, and this one is in English. Like, you don't need any other software to come and translate it. Gone are those days when people used to struggle and battle with translating 1688 application. In fact, if you have been doing importation for a long time now, you will discover that translating 1688 has always been a tug of war, especially for newbies, like people who are just coming into importation for the first time. Even those who have been importing for the past 3, 4, 5 years, they still struggle with translating 1688 application because you need an external application to come and translate. But guess what, guys? Come over to my screen, let me show you something. Just take a look at this. I just updated my own to the latest version today, and you can see most of the things here, almost literally everything here is in English language. And then you can see all these places used to be in Chinese language. Like, you will just come here and then you'll be seeing a whole lot of Chinese written up everywhere that you'll not be able to understand anything. Now come over to these settings, and then you're going to see all these places that when I used to teach some people, go here, go there, I will stay online sometimes for 24 hours, almost 24 hours, guiding people because they don't understand the Chinese that was written there. Now this thing has been completely simplified. Now see the way it used to be. Like this page now, this is how it used to be before. See, this is how it used to be. Now this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and if you are coming across this channel for the first time, here we do videos about importation, exportation, digital marketing, and e-commerce. In fact, we cover some wide range of other services on this channel as well. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you may consider smashing the like button, subscribe, and turn on the red notification button so that anytime I drop this kind of video, you're going to get notified. Now, without wasting much of your time, how will you be able to access 1688 application in English? It's very, very simple. Now, first of all, if you're already using 1688 application, I will advise you, if you're on iPhone, I will advise you to go to your App Store. Just come here and then you type App Store on your iPhone applications, and then you're going to search for 1688 application. That is on App Store on iPhone, please. You cannot get this on Android. I'm coming to Android. So if you are still using the older version that was completely in Chinese language, then you're going to click translate. You're going to see update button here, so you click on update, so it will now update you to the latest version so that you'll be able to access all these kind of things in English. So you no longer be passing through the hassle of taking screenshot and uploading on Google Translate app and coming back to this, which normally gives issues. Now if you are using Android, pay attention. This is exactly what you're going to do. Situation where you don't see that pop-up option, you're going to come over to your Chrome browser and then you type 1688.com and then you search for it, and then when it opens up like this, you're going to look out for this pop-up that will come at the middle of your screen, and then you click on this download button here, download 1688. Then it will download the latest version. But if that pop-up didn't come up, then let's say when you open it and then it's just like this, you're going to look up on top of this platform here, and then you can see download by the right top corner here. So you click download over there, and then since I'm already having the app here, you just open to the app straight away. So what happened is that detecting the app I already have, that is the previous version. So what you are meant to do now is to go and delete that older version that you have. So you come back to this page, to the Chrome browser here, and then you continue downloading this one so that you'll be able to have the newest version. To come over to your, when it's downloading, you just click on details. You can see here, then you click on details. When you finish downloading, you click open. So after downloading, you will need to grant some permissions here. So click settings. So you click on it, and then it will take you to your app installer on your phone. Now, if you don't see it, if you don't see that pop-up notification that says download or details, what you're basically going to do is to go to your file manager, and then you look for downloaded applications, or you look for your download file, download folder. From there, you're going to see all your downloaded applications and downloaded files, including the 1688 app. Now, when you tap on it to open, whichever way you do, this is where it's going to land you. And then here is for you to set permission so that your phone will be able to install the application from unknown sources. Now, it is unknown source because Android, our programming language, is done in such a way that they detect applications coming from Play Store or App Store as a known source. Now, any other source apart from Play Store or App Store is going to detect as an unknown source. There are some even phones, Android languages that call it untrusted source. Okay, they will even give you some notification that the app is going to harm your device. There is nothing like that so far as you know the app is coming from a reputable website or a platform. Okay, so I'm going to check mark this Chrome. You can see on top here it says installing apps from this source may put your phone and data at risk. There is no such thing like that so far as you know the app is coming from a reputable source. Now you see Chrome here, the app was downloaded from Chrome, so I'm going to check mark Chrome here, meaning I want to install the app from Chrome and then to allow Chrome to install apps. I hope that is very clear. Now you just wait for it to install, as you can see on my screen here. And then you click done. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed and open my 1688 and see what is going to happen right there. Oh, so you can see it is now in English language, but not everything will actually be in English language, but at least you will see most of the part in English language. Like this particular place used to be in Chinese language, and this particular login you are seeing here where the hand is pointing language. So cheers guys, we keep making progress every day, and whenever 1688 is updated or Alipay is updated, any platform from China we normally import from is updated, we do post videos on this channel concerning that. So if you want to see future videos like this, you may consider smashing the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification so that anytime we drop this kind of videos, you guys are going to be the first people to get notified. Cheers guys, I'm signing out for today.